Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today, I just want to share to you again the word that God placed in my heart, which found in Romans chapter 12, verse 1 to 2. It says there, I urge you, therefore, brethren, by the mercies of God, that you present your bodies a living sacrifice, holy, acceptable to God, which is your reasonable service. Number 2, and you be do not be conformed to this pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind, that you may prove what is that good and acceptable and perfect will of God. That is why, brothers and sisters, I encourage you that God is holy, and you know what? What is the acceptable, perfect will of God based of this verse? Ang sabi po niya, we have two here. One is live holy for God. It doesn't mean, hindi naman ibig sabihin na kailangan perfect, but God knows our heart. Number 2, do not conform to any pattern of this world. Meaning, you need to change your mind of thinking, turn away from your old sinful nature, and turn to God. And lastly, be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Live for Christ alone. That is why, brothers and sisters, right now I encourage you that we are in the last days of the last days. Jesus is coming very, very soon. We need to be intentional in serving the Lord Jesus Christ. That is dahil po ang kaaway ay nagdo-double job right now. Brothers and sisters, today po hindi na po yung oras para upo-upo lang tayo at walang gawin. Hopefully every single day, every day na meron tayong opportunity to live for Christ, seek the Lord Jesus Christ. Surrender your life, surrender your family's life, your financial, your everything, your job to Him, for He cares for you. Dahil kapag meron kang Christ in life, no matter what will happen tomorrow, we are His and His forever. The greatest gift that we receive is Jesus Christ and not anything in this world. That is why, brothers and sisters, keep the good fight of faith. Keep loving Jesus Christ. God bless and goodbye.